Okay, here's the lesson on multiplication. So we're just going to do some practice with drawing a picture, using a picture to help us show the problem. And so we've been doing some of these, but we're going to just do a little bit more practice. So on this one, this story problem, and you will have a copy of this on your Jamboard so you can look at it, you can look back on it. It says there are 4 rows of chairs in the dining room. Each row has 4 chairs. How many chairs are there? Well, I'm going to start with the first part. There are 4 rows of chairs in the dining room. So I have 4 rows. So I'm just going to draw 4 rows. There's 1 row. There's 2 rows. There's 3 rows. And there's 4 rows. Oops. Okay. Then it says each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, has 4 chairs. So I need to put 4 chairs on each row. And then my question is, how many chairs are there? So I want to know how many chairs are going to be on this whole thing. And so I actually have made a copy of a chair that I'm going to put on here. Just to kind of make it a little bit more realistic. Here's my chair. So I'm going to move my chair up here. There's 1. Now I need to have not 1 on each row, but 4 on each row. So I am going to copy that and I'm going to paste it. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 on my first row. But now I have to have 4 on each row. So now I'm going to make 4 more copies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's my second row. Now I'm going to make 4 more copies. One, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 3 rows. I need 4 rows of chairs. See how I keep going back to my problem to make sure that I'm still on track. All right, let's make sure I have what I want. There are 4 rows of chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each row has 4 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many chairs are there? I can do it one of 2 ways. I can do it by counting by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or I can skip count by 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16. So my answer is 16. So I'm going to just put a little text box. There are 16 chairs. And you can either do that or you can just post a sticky note. There are 16 chairs. And then move it down here. Okay, so I've shown you 2 different ways to post your answer. You need to draw a picture. You don't have to put things in there, but I will put a picture of what you're making, but you'll have to make the copies, and I'm not sure if you can. So I will put it on there. So here is your story problem. The bookshelf has 3 shelves. Each shelf holds 3 books. How many books can the bookshelf hold? So here's the story problem. The bookshelf has 3 shelves. Each shelf holds 3 books. How many books can the bookshelf hold? And so I have put a picture of a book that you could, I'm not sure if you can make copies or not, but if you can go ahead and make copies of that and make your bookcase. Don't forget to share your slide with me.